Kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Pollo de San Juan. San Juan is known for its rotisserie chicken, so we're going to use some rotisserie chicken breasts and our freshly made recadito, which is another video on our YouTube channel, so please check that one out. Sauteed onions, peppers with some olive oil, and then of course throwing in some Spanish olives with pimentos at the end and serving it over rice. This is a fantastic recipe. Let me get my mise en place together and I'll show you how to make it. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. I have all my mise en place ready, and now this is a quick dish because we're using the rotisserie chicken breast, which is already cooked, so this will go quickly. We have our saute pan on medium-high heat. I'm going to add to it a tablespoon of olive oil, and just roll this around and make sure you coat the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to saute our onions until they are golden, and that's one large Spanish onion. We'll saute that. Our onions have been sauteing and they're getting tender and even a little bit of golden brown. So now I'm going to add in our sliced green pepper and saute that until it's tender. And then we'll add in our 1/4 cup of the recadito. Now we'll add in our recadito. I'm going to saute that. Ooh, nice and steamy. And then we'll add in our chicken. In goes our chicken. I'm going to saute this until the chicken gets a little bit brown on the edges. Now I'm going to add in our olives with pimento. With that Puerto Rican flavor in so many dishes. And of course, we're going to pinch of kosher salt sprinkled over the top. Continue to simmer this until it gets slowly cooked, a little more brown on the edges. Here's our beautiful chicken. Look at that. It smells delicious. And now we're going to serve it. I have some wild rice here. We're just going to put some right on top. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. So this is enough to feed a family of 4. There we go. And of course, you always want to garnish it. So these are the peppers that we grew in our garden here in the middle school, and we're just going to put a couple on top, and of course some cilantro leaves. And doesn't that look gorgeous? Arrange this nicely so it looks so beautiful with the red and the green, our fresh grown peppers. There we go, nice little garnish of our cilantro. There we go, beautiful, and I can't wait to dig in. Recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.